This is part B of July 19. We started out today by excavating the pathway from the workshop, walking forward so I can pivot around. Pathway from the workshop to the stair to the path that comes out of the patio, and of course all the way to the walkway over by the wing. So everything is at least 12 inches deeper than a finished grade. That means we'll have a minimum of 4 inches of base rock, 5 inches of concrete, and 2 inches of stone. So that's 11 inches, but we're just excavating 12. There's going to be a planter right here with a nice little radius, and it should line up. You can see right here. Tomorrow they'll have this they'll have the rest of it formed, but the curves look good. They use 1x material, and it does a really good job of providing a nice uniform shape. This is a sewer. Yep, that is a sewer cleanup that we have. It was actually the junction from where the workshop has a bathroom. We have high pressure or forced an injection system that pumps from a sump down to here. Sorry for the little divergence, but anyway, back to here. We got a couple little pipes that we've got to put in. We're gonna have our irrigation system over here, and we need to get water back in this corner. So what we're gonna do is we'll put ourselves a piece of 3-inch pipe across here, another piece of 3-inch pipe across here, and then I know at some point we will have a planter with some life over in here as well. So we'll run another piece of 3-inch. Effectively, they're just chaseways. So at some point later on, we can dig down to there and put the pipe that we need into that 3-inch hole. That's it, quick and easy. The excavator makes quick use of the digging. So fortunately, all of this earth it's very usable. We've already been in this, and we have screened it, and it's nice and clean. So we can add some organic material to it, put it right back in the hole, put it right back in the ground, and we can grow stuff in it. So that is all for today, July 19, 2021.